Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my favorite skincare products from Indian Pharmacy. These are some of the products that I've been using for a few months and some I've been using for a few years. So if you'd be interested, then please keep on watching. So before moving on, I just wanted to clear that all of these products can be found in your local pharmacy, and if you want, you can even check Tata 1mg online if you want to get any of these. The first one that I would like to talk about is the Ethiglow face wash. Now this, although it says skin whitening, I am definitely not promoting skin whitening by any chance, and I do think each skin tone is unique on its own and it doesn't need to be lightened, whitened or any of these. Now if you have sensitive skin, then please skip on this product because this is definitely not sensitive skin friendly. This is a little too harsh on the skin, so you can use it maximum twice a week. Although on the pack it says to use 2 to 3 times a day, but please do not use it 2 to 3 times a day, वरना आपकी skin पूरी तरह से खराब हो जाएगी. If also you have dry skin, then skip on this because again extreme dry skin, ये पहली बात तो बहुत drying है. Like you will literally feel like skin is completely stretchy and dry. So this is perfect for someone if you have oily acne prone skin, ठीक है, या फिर कॉम्बिनेशन एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. सो आप ये यूज कर सकते हो ट्वाइस अ वीक. यू कैन यूज इट एंड इट विल एक्सफोलिएट योर skin nicely. It will get rid of all of the gunk and dirt that's built up underneath your skin. I would suggest to use this face wash at night if possible, and the next day you have to make sure that you apply a sunscreen. Next product is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It's Emollient, and I'm sure you must have heard about this moisturizer. If you do not have extreme dry skin, then you can use this. If you have extreme dry skin, then this would not be enough for you. This is such a nice lightweight moisturizer. It just feels so good on the skin. This is so creamy, lightweight and so hydrating and moisturizing. I just love it's non-sticky, non-greasy. It gets absorbed into your skin very quickly. मैं ना यूजुअली मॉइस्चराइजर्स को स्किप कर देती हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट लाइक द टैकी फीलिंग दैट इट गिव्स. ऐसा बहुत चिप चिप लगता है एंड इट्स जस्ट सो अनोइंग. बट देन दिस वन मॉइस्चराइजर डज नॉट मेक इट फील लाइक चिप चिप या फिर डज नॉट फील टैकी. इट फील्स वेरी comfortable. It feels like आपने ना बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पिया है, so you are very hydrated and you are just glowing from within. So I would highly recommend this moisturizer. So the next product that I have been using for months and months now and I've been absolutely loving it is the Debbie White Eye Contour Gel. If you suffer from puffy under eyes when you wake up in the morning, then this will definitely help for you. I personally got it because I wanted something to hydrate my under eyes. I was not really looking for a dark circle eye cream, but then this actually works on your dark circle. Before moving on to anything else, I want to clear one thing. If you have extreme dark circles, like बहुत ज़्यादा dark है and it is very prominent, very noticeable, आपका पूरा skin टोन एक है but then आपके डार्क सर्कल्स कुछ ज़्यादा ही prominent and dark है, then in that case I'm sorry but most of the creams या आप 8 hours sleep भी ले लो, it's not going to help you. It could be hyperpigmentation or it could be due to genetic, and even dermatologists will not usually suggest you a cream. वो लोग कोई treatment आपको recommend करेंगे या तो फिर fillers या फिर botox under the eyes, anything they can recommend. I would suggest that please go visit a dermatologist. Now for the rest of the people जिनके under eyes बहुत ज़्यादा dark नहीं है, it's mild, moderate, so in that case this cream definitely works. This product will not drastically change your under eye situation, but it will make the situation a little better. So if you want something like that, then this is definitely working. Now this you can use both in the morning and at night. It is supposed to be used twice a day so that you can see the results. You would be able to see the results around 2-3 weeks into using this. You will be able to see that your under eyes have lightened, and if you have used it for continuously about 3 to 4 months, then you would be able to see a considerable amount of change in how your under eyes appear. The next product that I would like to recommend is the Milan cream. Now you must have heard about this cream for sure. This is a very hyped and popular one. This is basically to lighten your scars. If you have any hyperpigmentation on your skin, you can lighten them. So this has glycolic acid, arbutin and kojic acid. So this is definitely not something that you should be using too do regularly, I would suggest you to use this about twice to thrice a week, the maximum. Now this can be pretty much used anywhere where you have hyperpigmentation, so if it is around your mouth, if it is your acne scars that you want to lighten, or if you want to lighten your dark knees, dark elbows or dark neck, you can use it there. Now please remember that because this has exfoliating ingredients, you need to make sure that you apply a sunscreen on all of these areas where you have used this, and that is compulsory, otherwise you will be damaging your skin barrier. Next one is something that I use and abuse so much. I use this so much, मैं हर एक प्रॉब्लम के लिए इसको यूज कर देती हूँ. Now this is made up of salicylic acid and nicotinamide gel. How I like to use it is on my blackheads. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसको थोड़ा सा अमाउंट लेती हूँ, पी साइज अमाउंट यू नीड टू टेक एंड यू नीड टू अप्लाई इट ऑन योर नोज. अगर आपको इंस्टेंटली ब्लैक हेड्स निकालना है ना, so just apply it on your nose, leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. You'll be instantly able to see those blackheads are gone and the skin becomes so smooth and clear. Also I used to have a lot of forehead bumps. Okay, मेरे forehead पे ना ऐसे tiny bumps आते थे. ये acne तो नहीं थे कि like big painful acne nahi the. These were just small bumps that were so difficult to like get rid of. मैं कुछ भी करके उसे हटा ही नहीं पाई थी. I was not able to do anything about it. But then ever since I got Sebo gel, this has actually helped me. So initially it can trigger in the sense कि आप इनिशियली इसको लगाओगे तो ऐसा आपको लग सकता है कि यार इसने तो मेरी सिचुएशन को और बिगाड़ दिया, अब मुझे और भी ज़्यादा बम्स आ रहे हैं. बट डोंट वरी, इट विल वर्क. आप थोड़ा पेशेंस दो. वो बेसिकली अंदर जो भी गंक है स्किन के beneath, जो भी डर्ट एंड गंक है वो उसको निकालेगा पहले, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट विल क्लियर इट. इट डज एक्सफोलिएट बिकॉज सैलिसिलिक एसिड है उसमें, तो इट्स गोइंग टू एक्सफोलिएट. नाउ दिस सेज टू यूज इट लाइक ट्वाइस और थ्राइस अ डे, बट प्लीज डोंट यूज इट twice or thrice a day. आप अपना स्किन ruin कर दोगे. Don't do that. Use it twice a week, maximum thrice a week, but twice a week should be enough. Be consistent with it and you will definitely see the results. Patience required होगा इसमें. You will need at least 2 to 3 months to be able to see a difference because आप twice a week ही use कर रहे हो. But yes, your skin will clear out eventually and it will become smooth. Okay, so this product is my ride or die. It has helped me so much during summers. मैं बता भी नहीं सकती. This is the Absorb Dusting Powder. This product has helped me so much throughout the summers because summers में इतनी sweating हो रही थी and I was so scared that I did not want bumps on my back, and I was very cautious about that because मेरे को पहले बैक पे bumps हुआ करते थे and now I've gotten rid of it. But because it's summers, I was scared that it will come back. But this product has really helped. Make sure you dry your back or legs or wherever you're going to use it. Make sure that's washed, cleansed, and you are and you've dried it well, and then you apply the product. And yeah, it's a must-have in every household, I feel. Okay, so the last product that I want to share today is the Sally Zap body spray by Fix Derma. This is a product that can be used for body acne. So if you have those छोटे tiny bumps on your back, that is called bacne, or if you have those bumps on your arms or legs or wherever you have these bumps, you can use this and it will get rid of those bumps so quickly and so magically. वो बम्प्स भी हटा देता है एंड इफ देयर इज एनी लाइक वहाँ पर रेसिडुअल मार्क होता है ना, तो वो उसे भी निकाल देता है. सो इट विल नॉट लीव एनी मार्क, कोई एक्ने मार्क्स या कोई भी स्पॉट्स. It will not leave anything. It will get rid of everything. And this is also great if you have KP, that is keratosis pilaris. I will insert a picture on the screen so you know what I'm referring to. If you have that condition, then this is so good for it. मतलब ये सच में क्योर कर देता है. मुझे KP था since so many years and मुझे actually नहीं पता था how to treat it. But ever since I got this, it has actually improved so much. ये सच में एक इतना magical product है, but you should not use it too much. So this contains azelaic acid, salicylic acid and retinol. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा strong ingredients है. It's not supposed to be taken lightly and not supposed to be used lightly. ठीक है, इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा twice a week use किया करो, उससे ज़्यादा मत use किया करो. जहाँ पे भी आपको issues है, body acne है, वहाँ पर इसको spray करना है. It's given in a very convenient स्प्रे पैकेजिंग सो दैट यू कैन स्प्रे, जस्ट अप्लाई कर दो जहाँ पे भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। एंड यू हैव टू लीव इट ऑन, उसको वॉश करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लीव इट ऑन करना, बिकॉज इट हैज वेरी पोटेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक एजिलिक एसिड, सैलिसिलिक एसिड एंड रेटिनॉल। यू विल हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट जहाँ पे भी आप इसे यूज कर रहे हो, पहली बात तो वो completely covered हो। इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट इन द सन, देन दोज एरियाज शुड नॉट बी एक्सपोज टू द सन। एंड इवन कपड़े के अंदर भी टू मेक श्योर दैट आप सनस्क्रीन लगा रहे हो एंड यू आर ऑलवेज stepping आउट विद एन SPF, वरना सच में दिस विल हार्म योर स्किन। So yeah, those were the products that I've been using religiously and I've been loving. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below any other videos you'd like to watch and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.